Alright guys, so before this video gets started, I just want to say I hope you guys enjoy it. This is a really cool experience going to these places, as you guys are going to see. It's like a whole new atmosphere from what I'm really used to, like going to these small classical towns that have like a rich history in them. But I just want to say guys, today is my birthday, the day this video is getting posted on, which is Monday, January 25th. My birthday, I'm turning 25 years old. And for my birthday, all I want is you go down, slap a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. And guys, turn 25. I've got so many things to be thankful for, and Lord's really blessed me with a good life. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said before, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hope you enjoy the video. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And guys, it's time for another vlog. I know it's been a long time since I've made a vlog. And this weekend, me and Lexi's down here, and this weekend we're down here in Shelbyville. Me and Lexi has some close friends, and they've got some family, and we're staying down here in Shelbyville this weekend. And we're visiting this little place called Bell Buckle. And I don't know if you've heard of this place or not, but I feel like I'm right in Mayberry. I mean, look at this. I mean, we're right here. I'm not even sure what you call this. Just a bunch of little shops and stuff. I've never been to Mayberry, you know, where the Andy Griffith show was shot at. But this right here just puts me in the spirit of it. I mean, look at this. Got your little shops and stuff there. Got your post office over here. I mean, just the train track right here running by it. I think this might be the sign. Yeah, welcome to historic Bell Buckle. I don't know a whole lot about the history. I think Matthew and Mark may know more about that than I do. I might ask them here later. But I'm going to take you on a little tour of the place here. Hope you enjoy the video. I know it's been a long time since I've made a vlog type video like this. So I'm going to get back in the swing of things here. Film today. Show you what we're doing. And hope you enjoy it. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, guys, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's hop in this video. So guys, first, you've got the post office over here. I mean, it's just the vibe you get from this place is just something else. You don't really get this in a whole lot of places. Like, look at the little light right here. It's not really a stoplight, it's like a little caution. I guess it's like a little yield for here. You got Hinkle Drive going that way, Webb Road that way. And I'm about to get hit by this truck here if I don't get on with it. He's got a stop sign though, so maybe he'll stop for me. Let's hit these shops. I was saying earlier, this might be Matthew's store right here. Hey, you can see this dog here is a $400 order. Okay. You want a moon pie?
That's salted caramel. Should we get those or should we get these? They're minis.
I'm feeling a mini actually.
Minis?
Good, how are you? Yeah.
This is called strawberry.
Whichever kind you want. The corncob pie. That's neat.
Remember that.
It's the old song.
No, it's a different language. I want to see what it is.
Okay. Some old clubs, ain't they?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Some old walking sticks too. There's an old walking stick. Some blue jeans. I mean, some overalls. That's cool. Some old baseballs. I bet old Babe Ruth hit one of these back in the day. It's pretty sweet. But they stashed their high quality stuff in there or something. Yeah. Gold, I guess. Oh, that's neat. Whoop. So guys, as you've seen, this right here, this shop used to be a bank, and this was the vault that the money was kept in. And this hole in the wall right here is where someone literally got dynamite and tried to blow a hole in the wall and rob the bank. The shop lady said that they wasn't successful, but that was still really cool to see the hole in the wall where those guys tried to rob the bank. But so that's why the hole in the wall is there. So we just got done eating dinner here at the Bell Buckle Cafe here. 10 out of 10, I would recommend. Now me and Matthew were putting the ladies' shopping stuff here in the vehicle. And I'd say chances are we'll have more before it's all said and done. If you're ever down here though, the Bell Buckle Cafe is the place to go to get your grub on. I tell you what, it's good stuff right there. Now I'm gonna try to cross this street here again without getting hit. But we're gonna venture out to some other places down there and we'll catch them over yonder somewhere. Come see us for more great shopping. Delivery. The Bell Buckle Banquet Hall. There ain't no slowing down, is it? I didn't know how much weight's behind that slowing down. That doesn't look like it's going that fast, but that's probably 10 or 12 miles an hour. Yeah. That's a moving, that much weight. There ain't no stopping it. Imagine how much engine that thing gotta have. Yeah. I've always been amazed at the graffiti people put on there. Oh yeah. I don't see how they even do that stuff. Do you? No. I didn't know what that was at first. When I first heard it, I was like, then I realized what it was. It's a good cow over there. Yep. Where'd it go? All right, so now we have drove about 10 minutes, I guess it was, and we're here in Wartrace. So another little town right here, probably, like I said, about 10 minutes away from Bell Buckle, and it's pretty much the same little setup right here. These old shops, old antique stores. There over is the Whistle Top Cafe. I mean, this place is just like stuck back in the 50s. Is the kind of the vibe you get from this place. But we're gonna go in some of these stores here. I hate filming a whole lot whenever we get in these stores because I feel like it's just kind of rude to walk in somebody's store and just shove a camera in their face, you know. So we're gonna walk around, check out what's here. I'm assuming it'll be a lot of the same stuff as Bell Buckle. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing that train pass by. Me and Matthew were sitting there talking, and we just felt something start rumbling, and then here comes a train rolling down through there. But we're going to these shops right here, and we'll catch yous over here as we make our way through this little town.